Okay, so now I have my pan here. Okay, so now I have my pan. Bruh. Hola, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, vamos a hacer cook, you know, because I'm a fucking housewife over here. So we're gonna make funnel cakes porque I don't have monies to be fucking going to the fair and buying one for $7. Bitch, you crazy. So we're gonna get any fucking waffle, pancake mix, whatever. This is the Aunt Jemima, and it's the original one, but I've used the buttermilk one as well. Pero el que tú quieras, el Bisquick, fucking any other one. Then you need confectioner sugars, but that's just to go on top. Si no te gusta, pues no. El confectioner sugar es ese pinche, like, el azúcar que se mira como cocaine. That one. Necesitamos regular sugar y vanilla extract. This is 100% vanilla extract, así como the rich white people one, porque I got monies like that, you know. This was like 30 something bucks, pero fuck it. And yeah, and you also need a little bit of milk. So let's get started. Primero we have just a fucking styrofoam cup, porque yo no voy a lavar trastes. If you want to be more fancy and you like washing dishes, then you can obviously use any other cup or bowl, whatever. Pero yo no, I don't like washing dishes. So first of all, what we're gonna do, and this is gonna be hard porque I'm holding the camera with one hand and pouring everything else with the other. So I'm trying to use, yeah. And I don't have measurements for you guys porque I'm Mexican, so I say poquito de esto, poquito del otro, whatever. Oh, mom's gonna be, oh my god. I'm already doing a mess. I'm just using half a cup of this, so I don't know, half a cup of, no importa, just whatever. Nomás ahí el tanteo. I'm gonna clean that up right now. So, poquito de esta, and now what we're gonna do is add some milk. Fuck, I didn't bring the milk. Voy a agarrar la leche. Para la milk, you can use whichever one. I use 1% low fat milk porque I'm trying to be skinny or whatever. So, I'm just gonna add a little bit. I don't know. I don't cook. So cuando se mira así como thick, like me, vas a ponerle el vanilla extract. Shake it, I don't know. Le vas a echar un chorrito, como un shot. Some ASMR for you guys. Nope, that's not working. Oh shit, I forgot to add the sugar. Okay, we're gonna add the sugar. And I tengo mi spoon. And we want diabetes, so le echas como una cucharadota. I don't care. Then you mix again. And if it's getting really thick, like that, le vas a echar más leche. Don't need the batter because it tastes nasty. I've tried it. So we're getting more milk. Y otra vez le vamos a echar un chorrito. Así. And I'll show you guys what your consistency te tiene que ver when I'm done mixing it. Once your batter is así como not too loose, pero not too thick, it has to be able to draw on it. Ay, wow. So now I have my pan here aquí y nomás I turn it on really high para que se haga dry la water or whatever. No sé, mi mamá me dijo que nunca ponga water and oil together porque me voy a quemar. So voy a ponerle el 1, 2, 3 oil, vegetable oil, pero you guys can use any oil porque la verdad I don't know which one I'm supposed to use, but I use this one. Y vas a ponerle poquito. And I'm not filling up my pan halfway porque mi mami me va a chingar si uso toda la pinche oil just for a funnel cake. So así con poquito, it's enough. Y vamos a poner our batter en una little Ziploc bag porque I don't have a squeeze bottle. Están muy caras. This is really good. And then I'm gonna grab una esquinita acá. And I'm just gonna nip it. We're gonna stop pouring porque ya se mira smoke. It smells like a little bit of burnt oil. So we're just going to nomás echar el pinche chorro hasta que I spit in the oil. It's ready. It's ready. So echale el pinche chorro, but like scribble, if that makes sense. Si pasaste kindergarten, you know what the fuck I mean. Ready? Ay. Y bájale poquito la lumbre to medium low, depends. Y deja que se cocine mira mi pinche design. Wow. Now vas a agarrar unas tongs de estas to flip it, pero after one side is done. So I think about 2 to 3 minutes. No, like 2 minutes. No se pase. While that's cooking on one side, aquí tengo mi plato ya listo with 2 napkins. No muchas porque your mom's gonna hate you if you waste all the napkins. Y again, we're not gonna wash, so we're using acá tengo mi audience. So we're just using styrofoam plates otra vez. Si se quema el pinche plato, no hay problema. Okay, ya que se mira like golden brown on one side, you're gonna grab it. This is the hardest part. Grab it and flip it. Wow. 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 Me sorprendo yo sola. And you're gonna let it cook a little bit. And you turn the heat medium low. Low medium? No sé. Eso nomás es so it can cook through. I'm gonna show you guys cómo se debe de ver on both sides. This side, golden brown. This side, golden brown. So now we're gonna grab it and we're gonna put it on our plate. You're gonna grab some powdered sugar, like cocaine. Nomás poquito nomás le vas a echar poquito. O mucho, whatever. However you like. Tú le pones pinches cherries, strawberries, whatever, pero yo no me gusta así. So yo le voy a poner ice cream. Unas pinches sprinkles que ya se vencieron for decoration. And last but not least, unas pinches cherries, maraschino, no sé cómo se dice, que compré en la store. No, ni sirve. Whatever. Vamos a poner una pinche, una pinche cherry. I love these cherries. Ta-ta! Ahí tienes tu pinche funnel cake. So now let's try it. Right. You guys need to do this ASAP porque está fucking buenísimo. You guys want more cooking videos? Like this video so I can do more. Bye.